So if you're anything like me, when you're done with your Lego set, you get your instructions and you either throw them away, put them somewhere with all your other instructions, or you just stash it somewhere randomly. And that results in lots of random instructions that you don't even know what to do with. Like, this is so many. I have like even more and more. So these can actually be the key to get you free Lego sets. So in this video, I'll show you how to use these useless paper instructions and maybe make them a chance to winning you a free Lego set. So you'll find that on the back of every Lego instruction, there'll be this page that says win. Go to lego.com/product feedback to fill out a survey for a chance to win a cool Lego product. And the thing is, nobody really notices it and tries it out. But I think this is on the back of every Lego set. And then think about this, with all the instructions you have accumulated, you have a pretty big chance of getting a free Lego set. So first we'll go to lego.com/product feedback. Note that these may look different on different Lego sets. So this one has this man. This one has the green ninja. This one has this random mechanic. And this one has that crazy guy no one knows about. But they all basically mean the same thing because they all have the link and they all say win. So keep that in mind. So first we'll go to lego.com. So lego.com/product feedback. And then you'll have to look at the front of your instructions where it will list the number of the set. So I'll just put in a random set. And then click let's go. And then make sure this is the set you are rating. So if this is not the set, retype the number in or try again. So click yes when it's correct. And then you'll want to answer this survey. So I'll quickly answer the survey. So yeah, that's basically it. I think the winners are picked at the end of every month, and if you win, you'll get a notification in your email that you filled out on the form. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and till later.